Good evening, friends. I'm Professor Shivaji Patil here again. I'm a trainer and coach, and on behalf of Global College of POC, BCom, BBA, BCA, and MCom, I'm doing this video, especially for student community. So, my dear students, your colleges are going to open from tomorrow, according to the government notification. It is going to open tomorrow. So, my request is come out of that state of lethargy, because I have seen students, many students, including children's kids too, even degree students, in a state of lethargy because of this long lockdown period which we are experiencing from last 1.5 year. A state of lethargy, a state of loss in interest in the academics, a state of comfort zone because everybody is there in home and attending only the online classes. So it is again a time to rethink about your strategy and make plan about your future, because we don't know about the pandemic. So it is very we are living in a very uncertain times. So when pandemic strikes back, or will it not strike back, we don't have any idea. Even the medical professionals are not giving the exact idea what is going to happen in future. They are just warning that the third wave may come, take precautions, something like that. But at right now, so the rate of affected people has drastically come down. So government has decided to open the schools, because you need to open the school and colleges. You can't keep them closed always. But at the same time, first thing what I wanted to stress in this video is, so again, come back to the mood of your academic journey. So you were there in 2 years back or 1.5 years back, before this pandemic has struck the nation. So plan for your future. Your future is is very important. It is more important than all those pandemic and all. And I hope every one of you have your vaccination doses, both the vaccination doses. If not, please complete both the vaccinations, both doses of vaccinations, so that you will get immunity. Because since you are younger, you will have a better immunity than your staff and other people. So that is an advantage for you. And my request is, again, come back to that mood of success, that mood of study, that mood of what you call completely successfully completing your academic journey. Because this is I'm stressing, because so lot of students have lost their way. They are lost their what you call it as a goal. They have lost their academic vision in this pandemic, because of a lot of the disturbances and the comfort zone of the home and all. Because one or the other day, you need to come out and you need to conquer the world, whatever may be the situation. Second thing I want to stress is, again, I told you, this is a very volatile situation. When the corona will strike back again, what happens? So online classes are very important, because future depends upon the online classes. So future depends upon the online classes. So that lot of students have a lot of complaints about the online classes. Teachers are doing their best. See, please stop blaming the teachers, because within the limited resources they have, technical resources, what I say, so they are doing their best to impart knowledge to you. And of course, we need to upgrade ourselves technically, so that the online classes become more effective in future. So definitely while implementing the NEP 2021, so definitely our government will upgrade everything. Every school will upgrade everything, so that online classes will be more and more effective. So therefore, my dear friends, you need to be flexible in life. You cannot be like rigid, like I want this type of teaching, I want this type of teaching. Those things are gone. See, a student means a knowledge seeker. He should be flexible enough to seek the knowledge from anywhere he gets it, or any direction it comes. So there are a lot of stuff in internet, there are a lot of YouTube videos, so there are a lot of online lectures, so and your college online lectures. So just we are always in the complaint mode. I have seen we are also, as well as the students also. So as a teachers, we are also in the complaint zone, because we find it difficult to grab the attention of the students in online mode. So that is our problem as a teachers or trainers. Whereas students' problem is, okay, they may not be able to understand, or the internet problem, and all those things. Despite all these things, you have to make up your mind. If you have make up your mind, all those obstacles will not bother you much. Okay, of course, you need to upgrade to a good internet yourselves, or you have to. Of course, there is an option to go to college also, and somehow you have to access the internet where their streaming will be fluent. So that is the first thing I wanted to stress here. The second thing I wanted to stress here, I agree that online classes will not be as effective as offline classes, but one thing about the online classes. So you can you can ask for the recordings of the online classes. So that you can again repeat them again and again. It will become an advantage over the offline classes. Repetition, it will become repetition. So I request all the colleges and schools, so record them, and after the classes, you please supply them to the students. So share them to the students, so that they can, even if they have been disturbed during the online classes, so they can watch them again and again, and get the points across their mind. It gets the concept across their mind. So see, there is no point in blaming anybody, because it is what you call as the nature's struck, what you call disaster or something. It is not actually disaster. Nature's this thing. So we cannot blame anybody. So we have to adapt to this. Otherwise, what we lose our track, academic track, and we may lose our years also. Because as I said earlier, it is not the time which is ticking, it is your life which is ticking. So therefore, my dear friends, utilize every single minute, whether you are till today. I know most of you are in occasional mode only because of the lockdown, but don't be like that. It is the time to come out of that vacational mode, that holiday mode, and come out and be on path of academic journey, because it is very important from your future point of view. Because so you may be tested more in during the interviews in corporate, because already the news has been viral that these corona batches, 2021 batches, 1920 batches, so they are being looked upon with apprehension, or a suspicion, whether they have learned all the things or not, something like that. So you have to show that the pandemic has not affected you. So the online classes or offline classes, whatever it may be, because if you make up your mind, you can gather knowledge from any sources. You can read books, you can clarify the doubts with your faculties, you can arrange Zoom meetings, or you can call them and clarify the doubts. You have to make up your mind. There is no there is no nothing happens if you blame. If you blame, nothing will change. Nothing will change. You need to be flexible. You need to be adapt to the new situation, the new what we call it as the new normal. So therefore, my dear friends, whether it is the online classes or offline classes in the future, so of course from tomorrow the colleges are starting. So please attend the offline classes. That will be very useful for you if you have taken the both the doses of the vaccine. And even if not taken, please take it and attend the classes. Don't neglect the classes. So even if again the lockdown comes. God, for God's sake, let us pray God that it doesn't happen again. So don't get discouraged, don't get disheartened, because there are various modes of learning. Online, offline is one of the modes of learning. There will be many modes of learning. So your concentration should be on learning. Okay, you are taken admission to a college, you are expecting something from the college. College is doing their best what they can do with their resources. So blaming the college or blaming the blaming this whole entire education policy, blaming the lockdowns and blaming the starting of the colleges will not take you anywhere. So better be concentrated on your studies and decide, make your mind that whatever the mode I will take the knowledge, I will understand the concept. So it is not that difficult also. It is not that difficult. So if you make that mode, if you come out of your comfort zone, if you come out of that lethargy, it has been creeping in this lockdown period, you can definitely make it. So again, I am stressing, there is no point in blaming others. Blaming others. Take responsibility. Take responsibility. Yes, pandemic has struck us, struck our entire country, entire world. Everybody is affected. We are not the only people affected. Everybody is affected. Every business is affected. Every financial this thing is affected. So every institute has been affected. Education has been badly affected. But still, I will strive. That should be your mindset. Despite the whatever happens to the world, my aim is to gain the knowledge in this my academic journey. That should be your mindset. Then only you can come out with flying colors after your journey of academic journey. Of course, the education department is giving a lot of what you call it as a help to you, lot of help to you in the form of diluted question papers, like what you call liberal valuations and all. But don't fall prey to those things. Don't be what you call it as a be like comfort zone. Okay, exams will be easy, they will be only based on assignment, our marks will be given. Okay, there may be promotions, there might be promotions in future also, but promotions will never help you. Of course, it may help you to get the degree certification, but ultimately what helps you is your knowledge, your skill, what you gain. So try to get the knowledge, try to get the skills. Skills are again available in YouTube. All the practicals from LKG to the higher degree level, they are available in the YouTube. Only you have to search. That's all. How interestingly you search for your favorite song, your favorite movie and all. With the same interest, you search for the lab practicals in YouTube. They are available. NPTEL National Portal for Technical Learning has many, some around tens of thousands of videos related to all the classes. Chandana TV has come up with a lot of such classes. And even if you have either Airtel DTS connection or Jio Fiber connection, so I think every DTH platform has some educational channel running in it. Only thing you are not given focus on that. So therefore, my dear friends, it is my humble request, be focused on your academic career. Be focused on your academic career. Right now, it is like a driving in the night. Right now, it is like a driving in the night. Of course, you know where you are going, but the entire path is not available, not visible to you. So at least your vehicles showing vehicle light focus is showing some path. So cover it as fast as possible, as carefully as possible, and with the utmost concentration, with utmost awareness. Then only you can complete your journey successfully. Otherwise, you think about oh, what may happen, what this pandemic is affected me. So all the negative thinking will not help you. So my dear friends, the main intention of making this video is to welcome you back to the college days, and please attend the college in full strength. So if you are not vaccinated, get vaccinated, both are vaccinated as the earliest, and take full precautions, whatever guidelines has been given to prevent from the coronavirus. So wear a mask, keep a sanitizer with you, keep a small soap with you. So all those precautions, hand washing and all those precautions, keeping the social distance of at least 6 feet. So I hope all the colleges are managed to arrange their classrooms in such a way that there is a minimum 6 feet distance between each student. So please take all the precautions, keep yourself safe, keep yourself healthy, improve your immune system, but attend the offline classes till at least till they run successfully. So I hope that there will not be any major lockdown in the future. Um, Even if it is there, so it will be for a shorter period. It will be for a shorter period. Again, you can come back, but never loosen your grip on your focus. Never lose your, whether it is a lockdown period or whether it is a offline classes. So never lose your focus. Once you lose your focus, it will take time to gather it back. So therefore, my dear friends, it is my humble request. So keep yourself safe, attend the offline classes, and make your journey. So it will be, I wish you be a very successful and very joyful uh, academic journey. So thank you. That's what I wanted to convey with this small video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it to others also, so that they can also be benefited. Thank you, my